This is single leg circle. Prepare, breathe in. Cross the body. Exhale, around, inhale, lift, hold. Exhale, 2 around, lift, hold. 3 around, lift, hold. Only 3 today. Go the other way. Exhale, around, inhale, hold. Exhale, around, inhale, 2. Exhale, around, lift, and hold. This is a scissor switch of your legs deep in your belly. Kick. Other leg goes. Cross the body. Exhale, inhale, lift, 1. 2 around and lift. 3 around and hold. Other way. 1 around, lift. 2 around. 3 around, hold. Keep that leg where it is. Kick the right leg up to meet it. Bend your knees. You're going to curl up to prepare for rolling like a ball. Tuck your chin into your chest, rock up. You cross your arms around the front of your leg and you hold one wrist. If you want to get even tighter into a ball, you can really tuck in and wrap all the way around. You also have the option to open the shape up like I would have to do at 9:15 in the morning. For rolling like a ball, you rotate your shoulders only, head won't touch. Inhale back. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, roll back. It's whatever it is. Exhale, come up. Inhale, roll back. Now I want you to come up and hold. 2, 3. 2 more like that. Inhale. Rock it up, hold 1. Hold 2. Hold 3. It's okay, rock back. Exhale, rock up. And hold, it's over. Put your feet down. Put your hands beside your bottom. Scoot back just a few inches. We're going to roll down, going right into the stomach series. This is probably one you may need a neck rest on. Please put your head down when needed. Deep breath in. We're going to bring this right knee into the chest, and as you roll down, you extend your left leg out. In the advanced work, that foot would hover right above the mat. If you need to lift it, please do. Switch legs. Inhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Certainly quicker than I normally would teach it. Exhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 1. Both knees in. Hold. Girls with the poles behind you, be ready for them. Extend arms and legs out. Inhale. Circle. Exhale into a ball. Inhale, 2. Around. Inhale, 3. Around. It's so silly. 4. Around. 1 more. 5. This is scissors. 1 leg up, other leg out. I don't care which one. Tap. 1, 2. Switch. 1, 2. 1, 2. Curl into it. 1, 2. When the leg comes up, you go to it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Both legs up. Hands behind the head unless you need a modification. Lower your legs. Breathe in. Exhale. Bring them up. Lower them down. Exhale. Bring them up. I wonder if they can go lower. Lower. Exhale. I might be wrong. Again. Down. And up. It was just a question. Down. Hold the legs at the top. Bend the knees. Crisscross. I don't care which way. Go. Inhale. 1 and 2. Exhaling. 1 and 2. Inhale. It's so silly. It's fast. Exhaling. 1 and 2. Inhaling. 1. Both knees in. Head goes down. You relax. Rock up to sitting. Scoot back on your mat quite a bit. I want you to open your feet out as wide as your mat. Flex your feet like crazy and reach your arms out in front of you. For spine stretch, we're only doing 3 reps, and then it's going to transition right into open leg rocker. So with the arms reaching out, inhale, prepare. Draw the chin and reach forward. 1, 2, 3, roll up, slow, and 2. Catch your breath on this. 2 more today. Chin in. 1, let the long breath out. Exhale, breathe in, and 3. Hug and chin in, reach. 1 and 2 and 3. Inhale, roll up. And 2, and 3. This is fun. This is transitioning right into open leg rocker. This might be crazy, but you're going to pull your belly back, lean into your low back, pick your feet up. Hands to ankles if you can manage. The trick on this is press legs against hands. Pull your hands back against your legs. Rock. Inhale. Exhale, rock up. Hold. Rock back. Inhale. Rock up. Exhale, hold. Press hands to feet and feet to hands. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. It's so much fun. You're smiling. All right, you ready? This is so mean. Feet together. Flex them. Hold your toes. Obviously, knees bent is needed, but you need that opposition. Yeah, you girls with long legs. Ready? You rock like this. Rock. Inhale. Exhale, you rock up and hold. Ah! And you rock back. Inhale. Exhale, rock up and hold. 1 more. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, rock up and hold. Teaser your arms out. Hold it. This flows right into jackknife. Roll through your spine. Put your hands on the mat. Jackknife over and up. Yeah, adjust as needed, girls in the back. Start to come down. Breathe in. Use this to catch your breath, as crazy as that sounds, okay? I know you're tired. Lower your legs. You only have to do 2 more. Head will remain on the mat. Legs go over again. Inhale. Lift them up high. Easy breath. Just haul the breath out. Send the spine to the mat. And the legs lower. And again. Over and up. And roll to the mat. Bend your knees into your chest, girls. Take a breath. Okay, so we're going to rock up. This is the saw, 2 sets only today. So rotate.